Welcome back to Home Decor 101, your go-to channel for everything interior design. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on one of our latest tips and tricks for making your home beautiful. So once again, welcome back to the channel. You guys, the months of September and October have just been so busy for me. I've been working on a lot of projects outside of YouTube, and I feel like I've been neglecting this channel a lot, but that's one thing that's definitely going to change. And I realize I never gave you guys an October video, so this is definitely it. And one more thing I wanted to say, don't forget to follow me on TikTok. I will leave it on the screen here, and it's just Home Decor 101. It's kind of the same stuff that we do over here, just in a very shortened span since it is TikTok. But let's get started. So October is a time when really crisp air and golden leaves inspire us to make our homes warm and welcoming for fall. I don't know about where you are in the country, but here in Oklahoma, fall is definitely here. As the season settles in, it's perfect for adding really rich, earthy tones and cozy textures that echo the outdoors. Also, there's Halloween this month, and Halloween brings a touch of festive fun, and the month's focus on harvest and nature provides endless opportunities for seasonal decor. I don't know about you all. I know some people are really heavy on Halloween decorating, and other people just decorate for the fall season. I am definitely a person that really just decorates for the fall season as opposed to Halloween, just because honestly, I feel like I can leave it up a lot longer. So from rustic touches like wood accents and pumpkins to even more playful decorations, October is all about creating spaces that really embrace both the coziness of fall and the excitement of the upcoming holidays that are right around the corner. I hope you guys enjoy this video. It's going to be a very short one, but we will definitely be coming back. I think from this point, I'm going to try to post videos daily, so be on the lookout for that. Thanks for hanging out with me. I absolutely hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to see a little bit more, don't forget to check out one of these videos right here. I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye.